Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. I'm Charlotte and today I'm going to show you around this lovely Range Rover Sport 4.4 V8 Autobiography Dynamic in Iger Grey. This car's previously had one owner and is next due for a service in October 2022. It's only done 8,296 miles. As it's part of our approved used, you get a minimum of 12 months warranty and minimum 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. If you're interested in this vehicle, please call 01785 899 446. So I'm going to give you a 360 tour around the vehicle and then I'll show you the inside. So you have matrix LED headlights with signature daytime running lights for a modern exterior. 22-inch 5-split spoke gloss black alloys along with red brake calipers for a sportier look. Going into the back of the vehicle, you have plenty of space there for 3 passengers, including ISOFIX brackets, which is ideal for families, a centre armrest for maximum comfort, and a 3-zone climate control, allowing all passengers to set their own temperature. You also have a powered tailgate, which is really helpful if you do have your hands full. Plenty of space there in the boot for personal items such as golf clubs and pushchairs. And you can also put the seats down if you do need extra room. You also have a spare wheel, which is great in case of any accidents. Continuing around the car, you have privacy glass and keyless entry. Going into the driver's side, you have Range Rover script tread plates, electrically adjustable front seats, a leather steering wheel, perforated Windsor leather seats, and a sliding panoramic roof, allowing a lot more light into the vehicle and really brightening up your interior. So that is the end of your 360 tour, and now I'm going to show you the technology inside the car. On your right you have memory seats, perfect if there's several people driving the vehicle, along with a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. Blind spot monitor, which is ideal for motorway driving and makes it that little bit safer. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, perfect for longer journeys. You also have a heated steering wheel, which is definitely a must in winter. Bluetooth, allowing you to make calls whilst on the go, and voice control. In front of you, you have an interactive drive display where you can view and change your display, view your vehicle settings and vehicle information, media, driver assistance and trip. In the middle you have a touchscreen with sat-nav and DAB radio, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone and use various apps. A 360-degree camera along with a normal rear view camera, making parking and reversing so much easier. Valet mode, enabling you to lock the screens where valet can only access your climate control, keeping things like your address safer. And on the next page you have ambient lighting with many different colours to choose from, which looks really effective, especially in the dark. Down on this screen you have multiple different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving the vehicle, along with heated and cooled front seats, practical for winter and summer. And finally, in your armrest you have a cooler compartment, which is useful for long journeys and keeping refreshments cold. Stepping back outside the car, thank you for watching this video on this lovely Range Rover Sport 4.4 V8 Autobiography Dynamic in Iger Grey, which is part of our approved used. We offer many different finance packages, so if you would like a personalised quote or to book a test drive, please just call 01785 899 446. Thank you.